How can your architectural design amplify the benefits of nature? I'm Maria Lorena Lehman, founder of Sensing Architecture, and in this micro lecture, we're going to explore how you can learn from nature to integrate what you learned back into your architectural designs to uplift quality of life for your building occupants. It may help you to learn from healing gardens or gardens that have been designed for multi-sensory perception. You see, with gardens, they target the 5 classical senses: the sense of sight, hearing, smell, touch, and even taste. By learning from healing gardens, you can learn to create architectural illusions or create architectural effects that help occupants when and how they need help most, whether that means helping to solve for an immediate need or helping to prompt progress toward reaching a desired goal. Also, with new technologies being integrated into architecture today, you can use technologies like augmented reality or virtual reality to simulate nature or to extract what nature reveals. Using neuroaesthetic principles, you can begin to extract from nature, to pull those beautiful patterns that we universally, neuroscientifically, find to be most satisfactory and fulfilling as people that perceive them. So we can pull from nature in these ways to incorporate this into our architecture. So how can you amplify the benefits that nature brings? Begin by studying the benefits of nature. Bring that back into your architectural designs so that your architecture extends beyond the visual sense, so that it too can become multisensory. This will ensure that it uplifts quality of life for occupants because it will engage with them in new and innovative ways. If you enjoyed this lecture, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, be sure to visit sensingarchitecture.com. There, you'll find my forward-thinking books, Academy leading-edge architectural design courses, as well as my comprehensive scholarly blog, where I publish latest research, findings, methods, and strategies to help you with your architectural designs. Also at sensingarchitecture.com, you can subscribe now to join my Design Insight membership. I look forward to seeing you on the site.